Welcome to our new video about the latest advancements in augmented reality technology. Augmented reality technology has come a long way in recent years, but the advancements we're about to see will truly blow your mind. Get ready to discover how AR 2.0 will revolutionize the way we interact with the world around us. There will be almost no industry left untouched. So sit back, relax, and get ready for a journey into the future of augmented reality. AR is a technology that has the power to change the way we see the world. It enhances our perception of reality by overlaying digital information, such as images, videos, and 3D models, onto our view of the physical environment. This can be achieved through a variety of devices, such as smartphones, tablets, head-mounted displays, and smart glasses. In recent years, we've seen some exciting examples of how AR is being used in various industries, such as retail, education, and gaming. For example, IKEA has an AR app that allows customers to visualize how furniture would look in their own homes before purchasing. And the popular mobile game, Pokémon Go, uses AR to create an immersive gaming experience. However, the real game changer for AR is the integration of 5G technology and the development of cloud-based AR, which I call AR 2.0. 5G's high-speed, low-latency network capabilities enable the delivery of more detailed and interactive AR content to a wide range of devices. This opens up new possibilities for AR, such as real-time remote collaboration and holographic presence. Let's just keep in mind that we can consider the integration of artificial intelligence, AI, is set to take the capabilities of AR to the next level. AI's ability to understand and respond to the user's actions and needs is set to take the capabilities of AR to a whole new level, by making it more personalized, realistic, interactive, and useful in various fields. The benefits of AR cloud technology extend beyond just the examples we've seen so far. It can also be used in industries such as mining, archaeology, and education to visualize and analyze data in a more accurate and interactive way. This can lead to more efficient and cost-effective operations, as well as new insights and discoveries. Think about the possibilities of 5G and AR cloud in retail and marketing. Companies can use AR 2.0 to create interactive window displays that allow customers to engage with their products in a more immersive way. By doing so, customers can virtually look and try on products and see how they fit their needs. Especially, by considering the usage of marketing areas such as digital billboards as known areas, no matter where the customers are, without needing to physically visit the store. In this way, brands could create more benefits than ever in terms of the effectiveness of marketing campaigns and increased sales. It will also reduce the usage of some traditional marketing materials which are not environmentally friendly and cost for nature too high. On the other hand, a mix of campaign and event marketing could be a great potential to use AR 2.0. By organizing specific events through an app, you can let the attendees enjoy special discounts or campaigns. In the healthcare industry, AR 2.0 can be used to provide surgeons with an enhanced view of a patient's anatomy, leading to more accurate and efficient surgeries. However, by empowering AI, it can even provide doctors with real-time data and insights to assist and make more accurate diagnoses and treatment plans, especially whenever there is no time but support is critically urgent. In manufacturing, AR can be used to provide workers with detailed instructions and visualizations for assembling a product, leading to a reduction in errors and an increase in efficiency. Moreover, AI-powered AR 2.0, by using machine learning algorithms to analyze sensor data and identify patterns that indicate potential errors, can identify and rectify any errors or dangerous situations to inform and allow workers to take precautions before it becomes a major issue. In education, AR can be used to provide students with a more interactive and engaging learning experience. It can also be used in fields like archaeology, where students can experience a historical site or artifact as if they were present at that time and place, which can enhance their understanding of the topic and make it more engaging. In cultural activities such as visiting museums, visitors can have a more immersive and interactive experience by viewing historical artifacts and events through AR. In addition to its applications in education and cultural activities, AR 2.0 can also be used in the tourism sector to enhance the experience of tourists visiting a city. With AR 2.0, tourists can use their smartphones or smart glasses as virtual guides to explore a city and discover its landmarks, historical sites, and points of interest. A navigation function would make a big difference rather than only following up on a regular map. In conclusion, developing AR 2.0 with 5G capabilities and then bringing AI to the game will set to revolutionize the way we interact with the world. It will become more realistic and interactive and will give opportunities, especially for some industries, to explore AR in ways we never thought of before in order to improve their capabilities and efficiency. Now may be a great moment to explore opportunities for participation in this period of time, whether as a developer or an investor. It's an exciting time for AR, and the possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching us. Please follow us for further updates in technology.